God. Do you want me to call the cops?
My leg?
Yeah, how's your leg?
You okay?
Yeah. I'm cool.
Dude, you still gotta get checked out.
I heard that from all the way over there.
He popped right into the middle
I
of the
just saw the
street.
skateboard go like.
Why did you do that? Where were you going?
Home. Oh, God. No, I'm alright. My head hurts. I got a concussion probably.
Anybody have a local phone?
Oh, my phone is dead.
Call 911.
That was...
Let's see that.
Dude, that was fucking unreal.
Did I flip in the air?
You flipped in the air, dude. You went like 6 feet in the air.
Did I?
Yeah.
Dude, I just hold fucking nothing in here. It's fucking...
Nice.
No, like, I'm fine, dude. You never know with, like, internal shit.
Yeah.
It's fucking scary.
What? How the fuck?
We have to call the cops.
Oh. I seriously...
You alright, man?